Hidden among the rocks, coral, and shifting shadows of the ocean floor lives one of the most intelligent and enigmatic creatures on Earth, the octopus. With no bones, no shell, and a body that can reshape itself at will, the octopus seems almost unreal, a living puzzle made of muscle, skin, and pure thought. In the vast, silent expanse of the ocean, it survives not through brute strength or incredible speed, but through a form of intelligence that is unlike anything else beneath the waves. It's a creature that defies our understanding of what it means to be smart, proving that a brilliant mind doesn't need a backbone. An octopus doesn't think the way we do, or even the way most animals do. Imagine a brain that isn't confined to a single skull. That's the octopus. Nearly 2/3 of its 500 million neurons are located not in its central brain, but spread throughout its 8 arms. This means each limb can essentially think for itself. It can sense, explore, and react independently, allowing the octopus to solve complex problems with its entire body. It's like having 8 smaller brains working in concert with the main one. This distributed intelligence allows for incredible multitasking. While one arm is busy prying open a clam, another might be exploring a crevice for its next meal, and a third could be anchoring it to a rock to prevent being swept away by a current. This unique neural structure makes them masters of improvisation and problem-solving. We've seen incredible footage of octopuses in captivity opening screw-top jars from the inside to get a snack. They can navigate complex mazes, escape from supposedly secure enclosures by squeezing through impossibly small openings, and even learn to use tools. In the wild, some species carry coconut shell halves around, assembling them into a portable shelter when they need to rest. They don't just learn these tricks, they remember them. Researchers have observed octopuses retaining solutions to puzzles for months, demonstrating a sophisticated long-term memory. In the silent, deep world of the sea, where every day is a new challenge, the octopus isn't just surviving, it's outthinking its environment. But perhaps the octopus's most famous and visually stunning ability is its camouflage. This isn't just about changing color, it's about becoming one with the environment in a way that seems like pure magic. Within a fraction of a second, an octopus can transform its appearance. It can change its color, its pattern, and even the physical texture of its skin. How does it do this? Its skin is filled with specialized cells called chromatophores, which are tiny elastic sacs of pigment. By contracting and expanding the muscles around these sacs, the octopus can instantly display or hide different colors. Beneath the chromatophores are other layers of cells, iridophores and leucophores. Iridophores reflect light, creating shimmering, metallic greens, blues, and golds. Leucophores scatter ambient light, allowing the octopus to match the brightness of its surroundings, whether it's the stark white of sand or the deep black of a shadow. It can go from being a bumpy, algae-covered rock to a smooth, sandy patch in the blink of an eye. This isn't just passive blending. It's an active, calculated performance. The octopus sees its surroundings and consciously decides how to mimic them. This mastery of disguise is taken to a whole other level with some species. The mimic octopus of Southeast Asia is a true shapeshifter. It doesn't just blend in, it actively impersonates other, more dangerous sea creatures to deter predators. It can rearrange its arms and change its swimming style to look like a venomous lionfish, a flatfish gliding along the seafloor, or even a sea snake. It's a level of deception that is truly an art form, a testament to its incredible cognitive abilities and control over its own body. This intelligence isn't just for defense, it's a crucial part of its hunting strategy. An octopus hunt is a masterclass in patience and precision. It doesn't chase its prey recklessly. Instead, it stalks with calculated movements, gliding silently over the reef, using its camouflage to remain unseen. It might wait for hours for the perfect moment to strike. When that moment comes, it's an explosion of action. It lunges forward, enveloping its target, usually a crab, clam, or small fish, with its powerful webbed arms. And then there are the suckers. Each arm is lined with rows of them, and they are far more than just suction cups. They are highly sensitive organs of touch and taste. An octopus can taste what it's touching without having to bring it to its mouth. These suckers grip with astonishing strength, allowing it to hold onto struggling prey and pry open the toughest shells. Once the prey is secured, the octopus uses a sharp, powerful beak, similar to a parrot's, hidden at the center of its arms. This beak can pierce through the hard exoskeletons of crabs and the shells of mollusks. But the process doesn't stop there. The octopus also has venomous saliva, which it injects into its victim to paralyze it and begin the process of digestion externally. Every hunt is deliberate, controlled, and brutally efficient. Perfect marriage of intelligence and instinct. Yet, for all its brilliance and evolutionary success, the octopus leads a tragically brief and solitary life. Most species live for only 1 or 2 years. Their existence is a whirlwind of rapid growth, intense learning, and then a final, poignant act of self-sacrifice. For an octopus, reproduction marks the beginning of the end. After a male passes his sperm packet to a female, his life's purpose is largely fulfilled, and he will senesce and die within a few weeks or months. The female's journey is even more dramatic. She retreats to a den to lay her eggs, which can number in the tens of thousands. From that moment on, her entire existence is dedicated to protecting them. She meticulously cleans the eggs, blows currents of water over them to keep them oxygenated, and guards them relentlessly against any and all predators. During this entire period, which can last for months, she does not eat. She pours all of her energy, all of her being, into ensuring the survival of her offspring. By the time the tiny perfect octopuses finally hatch and drift away into the ocean currents, their mother is completely spent. Her body begins to shut down, her systems fail, and she dies, her purpose fulfilled. This ultimate sacrifice ensures the continuation of her lineage. The thousands of tiny octopuses released into the vast ocean are on their own from the second they are born. They receive no guidance, no protection from their parents. The vast majority will not survive their first few days. They will be eaten by predators or swept away by currents. But the few that do survive will grow with incredible speed. They will learn through trial and error, shaping their own minds through raw experience rather than inherited knowledge. In a way, intelligence itself becomes their inheritance, the one tool they have to navigate a dangerous world. In the grand tapestry of the ocean, octopuses play a vital role, as both formidable predators and a source of food for larger animals like seals, dolphins, and sharks. They are woven deeply into the marine food web. They help control populations of crustaceans and small fish, maintaining a delicate balance within their ecosystems. When octopus populations decline, whether due to overfishing or changes in the environment, the effects ripple outwards. The balance begins to shift, affecting species both above and below them in the food chain. Their health is an indicator of the health of the ocean itself. To encounter an octopus in the wild is a truly unique experience. It feels different from seeing a fish or a crab. There's a sense that you are being watched, that you are being studied. Their eyes, which are remarkably similar to our own, are large, expressive, and seem to hold a deep awareness. They convey curiosity, caution, and calculation all at once. When an octopus looks at you, it doesn't just see a shape. It feels like it's processing who you are, what you are. It's a profound reminder that intelligence is not exclusive to mammals, birds, or even life on land. It can arise in the most unexpected of places, in a body completely alien to our own. The octopus fundamentally challenges everything we think we know about the connection between minds and bodies. It's a living testament to the idea that thought can exist without a backbone, that a complex mind can thrive without a long life, and that profound intelligence can develop without social structures. In its fluid, ever-changing form lies a different kind of wisdom, one that is built on adaptation, observation, and the ability to disappear before it can be fully understood. It forces us to broaden our definition of what intelligence is and where we can find it. So the next time you think about the great minds of the animal kingdom, don't just picture apes or dolphins. Picture a creature of the deep, a silent hunter with a brain in its arms, a master of disguise who lives a short but brilliant life. In the shifting shadows of the sea, the octopus remains a silent thinker, a living work of art, and one of the ocean's greatest and most beautiful mysteries. It reminds us that intelligence can take forms far stranger, more alien, and more wonderful than we ever dared to imagine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this journey into the mind of the octopus as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.